Welcome to City Update. I'm Gavin McRoberts, and today I'm joined by Craig Allen. He's a stormwater engineer for the City of Fayetteville, and we're here today to talk about the Drainage Assistance Program. Now, tell me a little bit about the DAP program.
Well, the DAP program began in September of 2019. Per the ordinance, the city is only responsible for maintaining drainage infrastructure within its right-of-way. In September of 2019, City Council passed the Drainage Assistance Program ordinance, which allocates funds to assist single-family residential property owners with infrastructure repairs on their property.
Now, I understand only certain households are eligible for programs. So what are the eligibility requirements?
Well, the eligibility requirements was they must convey water from a city street, it must be single-family residential, and it must be the repair of subsurface drainage infrastructure.
So when we talk about that program, what type of work is usually going on?
So for the DAP program, when a citizen calls in, we'll ask them to fill out a Drainage Assistance Program application, and then once the application is received, we will go out and do an investigation to make a determination of whether it's eligible or not. Once that determination has been made, then it goes before the Stormwater Advisory Board for approval. And then once the approval is done, then we begin the design and construction process.
And we're talking about things like, you know, if there's a drainage pipe that comes through the property and it's developed leaks over time and created sinkholes, that's the type of projects we're typically talking about, right?
Exactly.
And is there any type of projects that may not be eligible for this type of program?
So ditch maintenance or aesthetic maintenance, the removal of sediment or trash and other debris would not be eligible for the program.
So where can a person go to learn more about the program and to apply?
You can go to VayettevilleNC.gov /DAP, or you can call 910-433-1613, our
That's our stormwater hotline.
Yes.
Yeah. Excellent. And I appreciate you coming on, Craig, and sharing all the great information about the DAP program. And I want to thank you for joining.